Greetings everyone! Today we are making delicious keto candies. This simple recipe is easy to make. Enjoy! 3 tablespoons sunflower seeds. You can replace sunflower seeds with chia seeds or pecan nuts or macadamia nuts. But I prefer sunflower seeds. 3 tablespoons flax seeds. Flax seeds is my favorite because of the benefits for your health. 2.5 tablespoons of cocoa. 50 grams of butter and 25 to 50 grams of coconut oil. Take a silicone mold and fill it with our product. Please tell me which country you are watching me from, and also let me know if you know a similar recipe. Also give us a like if you enjoy the recipe. Place the mold in a refrigerator for several hours. These keto candies are made very quickly. They are very easy to make and the benefits and taste are incredible. Thank you for watching.